Hi everyone, my name is Shradha. I have a master's in biochemistry from Virginia Tech. During my master's, I worked on a protein called tau, which has been widely implicated in Alzheimer's disease. After my master's, I worked for a neuroscience startup where we were working on finding small molecule inhibitors for neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's. So I have a lot of research experience. Currently, I'm a faculty at College of San Mateo teaching cell biology. So, with that in mind, let's look at the two research projects that I'm offering. The first one is titled Why Singapore is Breeding Millions of Mosquitoes. So, mosquito transmitted diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika claim millions of lives worldwide each year. Current control measures are under threat as drug and insecticide resistance increases. So, you need some novel approach, and it's needed quite urgently. One such novel approach is used by Singapore called the Wolbachia mosquito suppression strategy. Every week, Singapore releases roughly 5 million mosquitoes into the environment. But the question is, how can you release more mosquitoes? And how can that be the answer to suppressing or reducing mosquito population? So, the strategy uses non biting male mosquitoes to reduce the population of Aedes aegypti mosquitoes that are the primary vectors of dengue, chikungunya, and Zika in Singapore. The National Environment Agency releases male mosquitoes that carry the bacteria that's called Wolbachia, which prevents eggs from hatching when they mate with a female mosquito. This is known as incompatible insect technique. This is very species specific, so it doesn't really affect other insect species or mosquito population, doesn't affect the plants, doesn't affect humans, so quite safe. And it also has negligible ecological impact. I came across this topic when I was doing my master's. Four other labs in my department were doing research on insect biology, specifically mosquito biology, about how they breed, what's their life cycle, how do they transmit diseases, and what could be done to prevent mosquito carrying diseases. So, this is a huge area of research at universities. The second topic is about taking inspiration from nature and using nature inspired therapies in medicine, specifically using tilapia skin for burn victims. So, severe skin burns are painful and they may be life threatening injuries, posing a substantial public health concern. Non fatal burn injuries are among the leading cause of morbidities. Treatment of burn typically requires prolonged hospitalization and may result in disfigurement and disability, often resulting in stigma and rejection. So, the gold standard for treatment of burn diseases is autologous skin grafting, but this is not always an option suitable for patients with extensive burns, and it has its disadvantages. It's also very expensive, so doesn't really work for everyone. Um, that's where tilapia skin comes in. Tilapia is a fish, so you use fish skin to treat burn victims. Tilapia skin is a promising treatment option for burn victim because it has many advantages, including the cost. It's low cost. The adhesion. It adheres very well to human skin. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It has very high collagen content, and so it really helps with the healing process. It's very similar to human skin, so there's a high chance of your body not rejecting it and accepting that skin as its own, and enhancing the healing process, and low probability of disease transmission. So, if you're interested in researching either of these topics, then please reach out to the Success Coach team and we'll take it from there. Thank you.